Today hosted a conference, the first of its kind, focusing on people with disabilities. Now, top of the agenda was the needs of people who are able differently, as Paul Muniu tells us.
The first ever workshop of persons with deaf and blindness special needs was launched today in a bid to push for laws that safeguard their human rights in the society.
Karibu sana.
According to Harun Hassan, the executive director of the National Council for Persons Living with Disabilities, there's also a need to have an accurate number and information of persons with disabilities in the country, a move that has seen negotiations with the Ministry of Health in order to better serve, care and offer other benefits recognized by law to such people.
And the training of county disability team has already happened. And anytime the CS Kagwe will announce that now the signature is fully devolved, that process will bring the service much more closer to persons with disability at the county level.
In the workshop, the speakers led by Lina Jebi Kilimo, the Chief Administrative Secretary for the Ministry of Public Service, Youth and Gender Affairs, cited challenges faced by persons with disabilities, highlighting that gender-based violence continue to be a thorn in the flesh.
One of the deliverables that we must do is to end female genital mutilation, which is a form of gender-based violence, and all forms of GBV, gender-based violence, which includes things like rape, defilement, and we know very well that GBV is more visited on those who are with disability.
Kilimo insisted that the ministry is committed to advocate for equal procurement and education opportunities among people with special needs, having rolled out some policies that promote enrollment of various programs to curb the high number of disabled people living on the streets.
Any person with disability found on the streets, we would ask them, why are you here? Haven't you heard of the agenda of your government that you go and register? At the APDK or NCPWD, you register there, and these are the programs set for you.
Much resources will further be directed towards special education institutions through grants offering training to teachers and allocating learning resources. The launch of this conference is, however, meant to shine light to equal inclusion to people with deaf blindness special needs in the country. Paul Muniu, TV 47, Nairobi.